Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Osai. If you're new here or you're just seeing my video for the first time, I say a very big thank you to you. Thank you for stopping by. And if you already subscribed to my channel, thank you. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support and the sweet comments you guys are dropping in the comment section. You guys are amazing. So today I'll be showing you what I apply or how I apply my turmeric marks on my face. So stay tuned and don't go nowhere. What you'll be needing for this turmeric face mask is your turmeric powder, honey, egg, and lemon. So right now, as you can see, I'm just trying to put 1 spoon of lemon juice inside the plate. You can use any plate of your choice. And then I'm just going to use my honey, 1 spoon of honey, and then mix them together. When you're doing it, you just want to make sure you're mixing the both together, so you don't get one lemon on the other side and then one honey on the other side. So just take your time to mix them well. So after mixing well, you just want to put your egg inside the mixed honey and lemon. So you just bust your egg inside. You're not putting the yolk, you're just putting the abdomen, the white part of the egg. So that's just what you're gonna use, and then you mix it well again. After mixing, you just pour 1 spoon of turmeric powder inside, and then yeah, you're good to go. But make sure you mix, like I used to say, make sure you mix it well, like mixing it well. Okay, so guys, here is it, and I'm ready to apply it on my face. But before I do that, I'm just going to take my wipe to clean my face. That's what I'm trying to explain here, but I don't know why the sound wasn't coming out, so I had to do voice over all over again. So what I'm doing is to use my wipe and then to wipe my face, just to make sure there's nothing on my face, and then I'm ready to apply anything. That way it can work so well if there's nothing distracting the face. So after cleaning the face, I'm just going to use my Vaseline. That's when the Vaseline comes in. I'm going to use my Vaseline to, I will apply the Vaseline on my eyebrow. That's my two eyebrow, and then my lip. So the turmeric does not enter the eyebrow. I don't have eye brow before, so the one I have, I'm just managing it, guys. I don't want anything to touch it. So that's just what I'm going to do, and then start applying my turmeric on my face. Guys, I was trying to explain to you what turmeric does to the skin, to the face. Turmeric contains antioxidants, in case you guys don't know, and it also revives the skin. Like, it brings out the natural glow from you. Like if you're having scar, pimples, what I actually use my own turmeric for is to clear my pimples. I was having a very dangerous pimples before, but with this turmeric, and I applied all the four products together, it gives me a very natural glow. But I was becoming so light. 7 days, I was using it like constantly for 7 days, so I had to stop it and then use it for 3 days. So guys, if you discover, because I don't want anything to change my color, I really love my black skin color, yeah. So that's just what happened, and then I started using it like 3 times in a week, or even 2 times in a week. So that's just what I'm trying to explain to you guys. Turmeric is so good, as in it's so good. It clears scars. If you're having pimples, it does that. Yeah, so guys, this is how my max turmeric max is looking like on my face right now. So I'm just gonna let it dry for some minutes. I don't know the actual time, maybe 15 or 20 minutes, and then I'll come back to show you how it's looking like. So guys, this is how it's looking like. Did you guys see? Like, it's so dry, but I still have my
my Vaseline still here. So it's okay. So I'm gonna wash it out with warm water and then come back to show you how my face is looking like. See you guys soon.
So guys, at this point I'm done rinsing out the turmeric from my face, and this is how it's looking like. So I'm just going to use my face towel to clean it up and then apply my orange oil on my face. So that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. If there is any other thing you want me to do, any other DIY you want me to do, let me know at the comment section, and I'll be so happy to do that. Thank you all so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Bye guys. See you in my next video.